The Wuling Hongtu, also known as the Wuling Rongguan in some markets, is a popular multi-purpose vehicle (MPV) produced by SAIC-GM-Wuling Automobile, a joint venture between General Motors, SAIC Motor, and Wuling Motors. The Hongtu is primarily designed for practicality and versatility, offering ample seating capacity and a range of configurations to suit various needs. The Wuling Hongtu boasts a spacious and functional design that emphasizes passenger comfort and utility. With its boxy shape and tall roof line, the Hongtu maximizes interior space, providing generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear occupants. The versatile seating layout allows for multiple configurations such as 2+2+2 or 2+3+3 arrangement, accommodating up to 8 passengers. In terms of exterior design, the Wuling Hongtu has a simple and straightforward appearance. Its clean lines and uncluttered profile convey a practical and no-nonsense character. The large windows and wide doors facilitate easy entry and exit for passengers and provide excellent visibility for the driver. And the interior of the Hongtu is designed with a focus on functionality and durability. The materials used are sturdy and built to withstand the rigors of daily use. While the cabin may not offer the luxury or premium feel of high-end vehicles, it provides a comfortable and practical environment for passengers. One of the key strengths of the Wuling Hongtu is its versatility and adaptability. It can be configured for a range of purposes such as family transportation, commercial use, or even as a passenger shuttle. The rear seats can be folded or removed, allowing for increased cargo space as needed. This flexibility makes the Hongtu a popular choice for businesses, taxi services, and large families requiring a reliable and spacious vehicle. In terms of performance, the Wuling Hongtu is typically powered by a small displacement gasoline engine. While it may not offer high performance capabilities, it provides sufficient power for everyday driving needs, ensuring good fuel efficiency and cost effectiveness. The Hongtu is designed with a focus on reliability and low maintenance costs, which are particularly appealing to commercial operators and budget-conscious consumers.